Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to unlock applock password with security question. Friends, you want to unlock applock password with security question, you want to use Tecno mobile applock security question setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Tecno mobile applock security question setting. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So friends, open your phone, master application app. After my phone master application app, friends, scroll down here, tap here applock setting. After applock setting friends, enter your applock password, and friends if you click on forget option, so friends enter security question answer, and you want to set your new security question answer, you want to change your security question answer, so you can change. First of all, unlock your applock setting. After applock setting, you can check your logged app. You want to unlock any app, so right tap here, you can unlock app, and if you tap here, so friends you can lock app in your Tecno mobile. Setting icon, we will tap here, reset security question. So friends, I will change here any name. Example friends, I will set here my friend name Mohit. So friends, you can see I will set here my friend name Mohit. Done option, tap here, security question will reset. You have new security question. Tap here applock setting. Suppose friends you forget your applock password, you don't know your applock password. How to unlock phone? Oh, how to unlock applock? Tap your forget option. Enter your friend name Mohit. So friends, you can see I will enter my friend name Mohit. Done option. Applock password will forget. Applock will unlock with security question, and you can use. So friends, you can draw new pattern for applock setting. Password will change. So friends, now you want to unlock applock setting, draw your new pattern. Applock will unlock. So like that friends, you can unlock your applock setting with security question, and you want to change your security question, so you can change. Enter your security question answer. Done. Draw your new pattern for applock setting. Tap here setting icon, reset security question. You can set your new security question for applock setting. So friends, if you tap here, you can change question. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite team? What is your favorite day of the week? Food I will set here rice. Done. Security question will reset. Friends, you can see you have new security question. What is your favorite food? Enter here rice. Applock will unlock. Bye.